Hello, fourth graders. It's Misty Cray here. So today in math, there's not going to be a form, and the reason being is we're going to go over our new dinner menu. So that's all that we're going to do today in group. I'm going to walk you through our new dinner menu, and then for your independent work today, I would like you to finish your quiz, your pre-test quiz that we were supposed to do on Monday. I've only received 2 of those back at this point. So whatever you didn't do in your math journal, I need that to get turned in. If you did the one online on your Google Classroom page, that's awesome. There's also a part 2 to the math pretest, and that was in your math journal. I believe it was page 190, number 5A through F, and there's going to be 2 columns there, and I want you to fill out both of those columns. Okay, so the reason being is that it's in the math journal is because I didn't really know how to show you in a way that made sense through a Google form like we normally do. So that's why it's going to be in 2 parts. So like I said, I've only received 2 of those math journals, and they've already received feedback from me. If you have completed those pre-tests, then during your independent work, you can find something else to work on today, whether it is makeup quiz that you still have yet to do, or if there's nothing for you to do, social studies you can definitely work on, or you can independently read. But that's what we're going to do today in group, so I am so excited to see you there. Bye, fourth graders.